Tired of guessing what's behind you while parking? In today's video, we're checking out the top 10 backup cameras for cars on Amazon, perfect for safer driving, easier parking, and peace of mind. Whether you drive a compact car or an SUV, there's a camera here that fits your ride. Stick around, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart car accessories and helpful reviews. At number 1 we have Zeroxclub Wired Backup Camera Kit. Reflect true and real-time image, maintain original color, adopts the advanced optical design and remarkable image processing technology to provide 1080p resolution image for your vehicle. HD 7-inch IPS display monitor equipped with a suction cup mount, allows the monitor to be mounted on dash or windshield. Adopts advanced night vision technology, create lower noise and illumination, wide view help you see things more comprehensively, provide clear and real image with a little light. Make your driving in dark more safe. With IP69K waterproof design, even in rain/snow/dog day, you can see road condition clearly. This license plate backup camera still work in extreme weather, provides clear image without delay. The B7 backup camera can plug into cigarette lighter/accessory circuit/ignition switch for constantly use and turn on/off manually or hardwire into reverse lights for automatic power up. Even non-technical person can install it easily. The B7 wired reversing camera can adjust the width of the parking grid line and move it to the left/right/up/down to make it fit your need to park safely. You can switch the parking grid lines with one click, which is convenient and quick. You also can press the cell button to flip image. At number 2 we have WOLFBOX 4K Mirror Dash Cam Backup Camera. Experience stunning detail with the front camera's upgrade to 4K UHD 2160p resolution, paired with a 1080p rear camera. The extra-large 12-inch display provides 1.5 times the viewing area of a standard mirror, significantly reducing blind spots for enhanced safety. The included external GPS antenna enables real-time GPS data display directly on the dash cam. Connect to your phone via Wi-Fi and use the WOLFBOX app on iOS or Android devices to real-time viewing, playback recordings, and quick sharing of videos. The WOLFBOX G840S mirror camera features a 170 degrees front lens and a 140 degrees rear lens, offering a broader field of view to minimize blind spots during driving and reversing. The smart split screen function allows simultaneous monitoring of both lenses, while the 2.5D curved screen seamlessly integrates with your vehicle's interior. The G840S mirror dash camera is equipped with an upgraded low reflectivity LCD to reduce daytime reflections. With incorporated WDR and HDR technology for balanced lighting, and a professional grade sensor paired with a 6-glass lens for superior image quality, nighttime driving or challenging lighting conditions are handled with ease. Beyond on-the-road safety with loop recording, the WOLFBOX camera also features a 24-hour parking monitor. Time-lapse mode records at a low frame rate to conserve power and storage while ensuring continuous surveillance of your vehicle. At number 3 we have Erapta 4 Wireless Backup Camera. This is a totally wireless RV camera system. It's highly compatible with RV, truck, camper, horse-tiller, tractor. Secure the cameras in any metal surfaces of your vehicle to provide views you need. Just turn on the cameras and plug and play the monitor. Built-in DVR, the reversing backup camera systems support recording, which is easy to find the video evidence if needed. The system can automatically delete the old contents when the SD card is full, bringing us more convenience. Please remind that the SD card is not included. The Act 104 comes with 4 cameras and can be set into full/split/quad channels in the screen to provide views in any position you need, either outside view, rear/front/side view, or inside view, horse trailer, RV monitoring, etc. Strong magnetic base in the camera makes it so easy to work. With high resolution of 1080 pixels, the larger monitor gives us broader and clearer image. The cameras offers a 150 degrees wider view, so that we can drive with a pleasant mood. Built-in 9600 mAh large capacity battery, breaking the capacity limit, ultra-long life. No need for additional power, truly wireless camera. Please use the included Type-C cable and charger to charge the camera. At number 4 we have Yakry RV Backup Camera Plug and Play. The waterproof camera and HD monitor are powered by one power supply. No need to power the camera and monitor separately, just connect the monitor to a cigarette lighter adapter/fuse etc., then wire the camera and monitor. Plug and play, much less installation effort than wireless rear camera systems. The wired reversing camera kit has more stable transmission and will not lose signal at any time. If your wireless backup camera is always intermittent and delayed, a wired camera is a reliable companion for every drive. The RV backup camera connects directly to the monitor via a 66 feet cable and is widely used on trailer, truck, tractor, bus, RV, van, SUV and more. True IR night vision greatly enhances the image, and the backup camera works even with minimal light around, allowing you to identify objects in the dark. 150-degree wide viewing angle, non-fisheye distortion camera, great for lane changing and nighttime backing up and parking in narrow alleys. The 7-inch IPS display offers clearer and more vibrant color images, along with a wider viewing angle that maintains image consistency from various directions. Compare other screens, it reduces glare and flicker during long drives, making it easier on the eyes. At number 5 we have Furrion Vision S3 Camera Wireless Backup Camera. Easy and quick installation. Most RVs are already prepped for the Vision S system, eliminating extensive drilling requirements. The unique shark fin camera fits on the pre-installed prep, and the marker light cameras can replace your existing marker lights. Waterproof cameras with night vision. Comes with 3 high-resolution, 720 by 480, IP65 waterproof cameras with infrared night vision, live streaming, intelligent IR cut filters and wide viewing angles. Stable and long-range signal strength. The 2.4 GHz proprietary wireless communication provides a reliable digital connection with no lag between the camera and monitor. Tested for up to 100 feet at high speeds and extended range of up to 492 feet in open spaces. Clear and easy viewing. 5-inch touchscreen anti-glare monitor comes with park assist marker lines and displays a clear image for up to 4 cameras for all-around coverage. The windshield and table mount allow for easy viewing. Security and safety. You can also wire the cameras to serve as a security system to help you stay safe when parked. The cameras have motion sensors which can auto-wake the display. The rear camera includes a microphone with audio transmission. At number 6 we have DVKNM 2 Magnetic Solar Wireless Backup Camera. No drilling, no wiring. 7-inch Full HD IPS panel monitor, plug and play and easily attach the magnetic wireless backup camera to any metal surface of the vehicle. Solar magnetic wireless reverse camera base is equipped with a strong magnet. It can be easily attached to any metal surface, attach and remove at will, and don't have to worry about the camera falling off while the vehicle is in motion. Rear view camera supports 2 types of charging, solar and Type-C charging. Battery capacity 9,600 mAh. Charging while driving in sunny weather. Camera uses unique potting process for IP69 commercial grade waterproofing, durable and long-lasting. Solar wireless magnetic hitch camera adopts 1080p HD color CMOS sensor plus 7 full HD IPS panel monitor to provide you with ultra-high definition monitoring images. Equipped with 9 infrared night vision LED lights. Even in total darkness, still can see everything clearly to ensure your safety. Built-in signal booster receiver, and the digital signal is fast and stable, no image freezing. The transmission distance can reach 328 feet, without obstacles, and it can also work normally on the highway. No more lost signal. Included in the package is long antenna for enhanced signal. At number 7 we have DALLUX Heavy Duty Vehicle Backup Camera System. Backup camera is 1/3 of an inch CCD 800 TVL. It can give you real nature color image without color deviation, completely waterproof with an IP69K rating. This is actually the highest IP rating there is and means the camera will work fine in all weather conditions. 3 mounting methods to install the monitor: mount to the windscreen by using a suction bracket, or install it on the dashboard by using butterfly-shaped bracket or U-shaped bracket. With 18 infrared lights, the backup camera will be able to see up to 50 feet even in complete darkness. This night vision will be even without any ambient light at all. With an ultra-wide 130 degrees viewing angle, the backup camera will provide a complete view from behind your vehicle. This ensures complete safety with no blind spots. The auto-dimming feature automatically dims the monitor brightness based on ambient light. This means a super bright display during the day and a dimmer one at night. At number 8 we have Fookoo 2 7 inches 1080p wired backup camera. 1080p Fookoo technology. We are the first one to apply 1080p technology to backup cameras. Digital high-definition image processor will make your backing more confident and safer. 2 million pixel and IP69 waterproof cameras. Without infrared lights, you don't need to worry that the cameras switch back and forth between night vision and normal mode while driving in the dark. With only a little light, the cameras will show you great colored images even at night, making your driving more comfortable. In addition, waterproof cameras will serve you longer. Split screen and parking lines. With the split screen, you can view 2 cameras at the same time if you need to observe your surroundings. The parking lines will make your parking more easily and convenient. You don't need to have someone to get off the vehicle and assist you to park. Circular video recording. With this function, the system will capture an accident and provide the evidence for you, which will keep your security. You can play back the normal and emergency videos on the monitor or on your computer with the SD card. Supporting 32 GB to 128 GB SDXC SD card. At number 9 we have Leekooluu wireless backup camera. The wireless backup camera connects to the power supply of the reversing lights for reversing use only, and will automatically trigger the reversing image when backing up. Or backup camera can also be connected to the power supply of tail lights, license plate lights for constantly rear view. The backup camera for truck adopts the latest digital frequency hopping technology, reverse camera built-in wireless transmitter, monitor built-in wireless receiver, sends HD 1080p video via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi transmission speed without signal delay, interference, fluctuation or intermittent problems. The transmission distance can be up to 100 m in open space and up to 33 ft. The backup camera for cars adopts the latest SC1346 color image sensor and anti-halo chip, also adopts color filter and color processing technology, will have excellent imaging performance in high and low temperature environment. The truck backup camera housing is made of ABS plus PC metal raw material with 5-inch LCD display, which is more suitable than 7 inches to be used in trucks/pickups and other similar sizes, and it won't block the driver's view in front. The rear view camera suction cup mount is made of ABS plus TPU material, 360-degree swivel design, more stable than normal mount. You can mount the display on the dashboard or windshield. It won't melt and fall off even after long time use in sunlight. At number 10 we have Douxury 2 digital RV wireless backup camera. Upgraded wireless backup cameras, with unique dual antenna design and the latest digital signal chip, the wireless backup cameras can send 1080p videos to the display via the stronger signal. The signal can reach 320 feet in open areas and 180 feet in vehicles. IP69 waterproof level. With the latest sealing tech, the wireless backup cameras are IP69 waterproof, also can withstand extreme temperatures from -23 degrees Fahrenheit 179 degrees Fahrenheit. No more lens water or fog problems. 1080p HD backup cameras, adopting 1080p CCD image processing chip. The digital wireless backup camera system can provide you with 1080p HD images during the day, bright and clear images at night. 24 hours clear vision for you. 4-channel monitor system. This backup camera system contains 1 full screen mode, 2 split screen mode and 4 split screen mode. You can add 2 cameras to the camera. Recording function. Wireless RV backup camera has the function of loop recording. You can avoid a lot of traffic scam/theft. Compatible with RV, fifth wheel, truck, trailers, campers, bus and other type of vehicles. Easy to install, just power on the backup camera and the monitor respectively to use. Wiring and installation no longer affect your car trailer.